Welcome back after periodic assessment. First, class 7th. Good morning. Now today we are going to start our half yearly examination portion. History chapter 3rd, the Delhi Sultan. For the first time, Delhi was made the capital of their kingdom by the Chaman Rajputs. The great warrior of this kingdom, Prithviraj Chauhan, was defeated by Muhammad Ghori in 1192, and thus the Turks were the new rulers of Delhi. They were called sultans. Previously, we have already studied in previous chapter that Prithviraj Chauhan was defeated by Muhammad Ghori in 1192. But after that, when Prithviraj Chauhan was defeated by Muhammad Ghori, thereafter the Turks got control over the Delhi, and they were known as Sultan, not king. Their title were Sultan. So Delhi Sultanate. The word Sultanate means the form of government or the kingdom under the Sultan. Under the sultans. Thus, Delhi Sultanate had a meaning of Delhi under the rule of the sultans, which lasted for 320 years. This period is also termed as Delhi Sultanate period. Here, we are going to discuss about the Delhi Sultanate. What is the meaning of Sultanate? There are two meanings mentioned in your book. Sultanate means the government, and Sultanate means the rule. Sultanate means the kingdom under the sultans. So, here Delhi Sultanate means Delhi under the rule of the sultans. Delhi under the rule of the sultans means we can say in Hindi that सुल्तान के अधीन दिल्ली, दिल्ली पर सुल्तान का शासन. These sultans were ruled in India approximately 320 years. For approximately 320 years, from 1206 to 1526, and this period of 320 years is known as the Sultanate period, Delhi Sultanate period. During this period, 5 dynasties ruled from Delhi. Not a single dynasty, but 5 dynasties were ruled over here. The name of those dynasties were the Slave dynasty, the Khilji dynasty, Tughlaq dynasty, Sayyid dynasty, and Lodi dynasty. Sultans of Delhi were built their own capital cities, which were in and around the area now known as Delhi. The remains of those capital cities are found in Mehrauli, Siri, and Tughlaqabad can be seen even today. Now today we can see the remains of those capital cities in Mehrauli, Siri, Tughlaqabad, etc. After this, we have the topic historical sources of Delhi Sultanate. But before that, we are going to see the table, whatever given here. In this table, there is the description of all the dynasties and the term tenure of the reign of each sultanate period, each dynasty, and whoever the powerful sultans of each dynasty. So, the first sultanate dynasty was the slave dynasty. The period of slave dynasty was from 1206 to 1290, and its sultans were Qutbuddin Aibak, Samsuddin Iltutmish, Ruknuddin Firoz Shah, Razia Sultan, Nasiruddin Muhammad, Ghiyasuddin Balban. After Balban, Khilji dynasty was started from 1290 to 1320. In this, Jalaluddin Firoz Khilji and Alauddin Khilji, Khusro Malik. After Khusro Malik, Tughlaq dynasty was started from 1320 to 1414, and its first sultan was Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, and Firoz Shah Tughlaq. After Firoz Shah Tughlaq, Shahid dynasty from 1414 to 1451. Its first sultan was Khizr Khan Said, Mubarak Shah Said, Muhammad Shah Said, Alauddin Alam Shah Said. After him, Lodi dynasty. The period started from 1451 to 1526. Its first sultan was Bahlul Lodi, Sikandar Lodi, and Ibrahim Lodi. It is enough for today. Dear children, if you have any doubt, then call me after 8 each evening. Whatever your doubts, I will try to clear that. Okay? Read this chapter and try to find out the answers of the exercises. Thank you.